Hello and welcome back to Being There Mate. We're going to be recording here this evening, none other than the evening buffet restaurant at the Melia Sunny Beach Resort at Bulgaria. This is June 2026. Now we've got 4 buffets here for the evening restaurant. So we're going to be first of all going into, this one is the Spanish one. Then just behind me here we have got the Indian buffet. We've also got a Bulgarian and a Italian restaurant. So we'll go through, show you a quick overview of what to expect when you arrive, ladies and gents. So let's rotate, shall we? And yeah, I'll try and talk a bit through. So it opens as well. If we turn around, I'll show you now. So it does open right now, and we open at, so there's your opening times there, from 6 till 9 p.m.
Hello.
Hello. So you've got your drinks station here as you walk in. So yeah, this is the Spanish one that we're at first. So we're trying to record this straight away before it all goes a bit chaos. Some wines as well there. You've got your seating area over here. As you can see, it gets busy very quick. People act like they've not been fed all day, so it does get quite crazy. Bit of beef there. Rabbit. As you can see, people are trying to push me out of the way like they haven't had any food all day. Some sauces there. Starting sausage. Some duck. Just try and go around here. We have got squid and some fancy fish. Tabasco sauce there. Your ice creams and a nice lolly there. Some different hummuses here. We've got some falafel, I haven't seen that one yet, that's new. that is everything in this buffet. Let's go to the one next door, the Indian. You have plenty of drink stations. You have more. Oh, we have missed this as well. This is a soup, beef and vegetable cream soup, croutons. Another drink station here. Let's go across to the Indian buffet. This is only open Monday to Friday from 6 o'clock. You can even see on the board as well, but it's not open at a weekend. This is the Indian one. You can see what's there before you go, but let's go and have a quick little look, shall we? It does show the opening hours on there as well. Oh yeah. Let's go and have a look, shall we? Squeeze in, there does seem to be a bit of a queue here. Shrimps there, pork, and a tea station. Right, so now what we'll do is we'll head over to the Spanish, which is directly opposite. So it's located over this side. Hopefully this video is not too long, ladies and gents, but make sure you are subscribed to Being There Mate. I hope this video is useful, give you a good idea of what to expect when you get here. It's a bit of a further walk to the Italian. There is also here as well a Chinese evening restaurant, but for some reason it's closed at the moment. Yeah, this is June 2026. No idea why it's closed. It doesn't state anywhere online or on the doors or anything as to why it's shut. I don't know if whether they just can't get a Chinese chef, because the Indian we've just been to, they are actually authentic Indian chefs, so maybe they're trying to do the same thing with the Chinese, but they can't find somebody. I don't know what's going on. So check that out online before you arrive, because maybe it will be different. So before we go to there, I'll show you the soups again. What have we got here? Fish soup in this one, and again, vegetable. You do have a microwave as well with drink station. Forgot to mention as well, if you have got babies, if you ask for some jars of baby food, they do provide them so that you can warm them up in the microwave as well. They don't put them out, but you do have to ask one of the waiters or chefs. Turkey breasts. What have we got here? Nice vegetarian one there. I've had that before. It's a bit like a veggie stew, quite nice. So in this one, rather than having chicken nuggets, these are cheese nuggets. Same mussels again. Same bread station as before. As you can see, it's getting very busy now. And this is only 6 p.m. Everyone acts like they've not been fed. Same ice creams again. Right, let's have a quick look at the dessert section and then we'll head over to the Italian, shall we? Pretty much the same as the other one. That one's made with dates. Vegan, that is. Oh, that's good. We haven't had that one yet since I've been here. Nice selection of cakes there, ladies and gents. Same tea section. Right, let's head out through the main lobby. That is a Bulgarian bread and wine you can have every evening. They do serve in that one. As you just saw me coming out then, they do give you the option to have it when you come in. I came through the side door originally. So we're going through the main entrance here now. The Italian is that big building straight in front. If you've watched my other video on the lunch buffet, I'll show you again now. There is also a pizza stove, you know, one of those like homemade pizza type things. That is open from, I think it's 12 a.m. 12, yes, it's 12 in the afternoon or 12:30 it might be, and that actually runs till 9 p.m. So very good if you want to just come and get some margarita or pepperoni. That's the two options we've got, margarita and pepperoni pizza. So yeah, Italian is located over this side. Yeah, if you haven't checked out those videos yet, do check them out. The buffet does alternate every day as well with the food. The only difference is the lunch and the evening. The breakfast, no matter which one of the 4 restaurants you do eat, if you've not watched that video already, the breakfast is the same regardless. Looks like we've got some people arguing here on camera. That's good timing. Typical Brits arguing already. So here is your pizza stove. And you'll be able to see it from there. And you have got margarita and pepperoni. Let's check out the Italian. We've got extra drinks and seating area over here. You can buy some additional drinks there by the looks of it. You'll see that some of the foods are the same at each of the buffets. There's only a few things that alternate at each one. Got a different fish here. Spaghetti and meatballs. Spare ribs there. Normal lasagna and cheesy mash, that's the word I was looking for. Gluten-free cake here. Usual bread section. Meatball soup, that's a bit different. A minestrone soup. So let's head back down towards the salad and dessert area. You can sit outside as well. So this is the bit we didn't cover earlier. So we've got these sort of pre-made sandwiches or whatever they are, breads, crackers. That's a new one, I've not seen these yet, so I'm not too sure what they are. Says it's Italian food anyway. I think the wine is free, but you get the option to buy a bottle if you would like. So that you saw when you walked in. If you want to buy a bottle for €6 to your room, you can, I think. But looks like they're giving out free samples. Particular wine. Yeah, so that is everything, ladies and gents. I hope that video has been useful. As I said, make sure you are subscribed to Being There Mate. Check out the other videos from this hotel as well and our time here in Bulgaria. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.